Honda CRF100.
She's locked up solid. Well, that's not really what I was expecting. So let's see if we can get this motor to move. See, the shifter's kind of bent. Hopefully this thing shifts okay. We'll throw it in the tallest gear. Oh, there we go. That didn't sound great. I've heard that noise, but that sounded like a cam chain to me. Let's see if there's any living in here. Yeah, so it's kind of what happens when you don't service your motorcycle. These Hondas last forever if you take care of them. Let's take a look. Oh, that feels cross-threaded. Definitely cross-threaded. It's gonna need a repair. Moment of truth. Ah yeah, so the cam chain was obviously loose. I think she probably skipped a tooth and is hitting one of the valves. So I'm gonna pull the head off and we'll see if there's any damage in there. So we'll get these guys out of here. Just tied a big zip tie on with a little zip tie. More cross threads. Oh my God. So before that strips, I'm gonna tap that on with a hammer. That's how you stop the shocking releases any kind of rust in the threads, and then you can get it out. Breaking that off would suck. Find all your dowels. Cam looks all right. So you can see quite a bit of wear there. There's like a matte finish kind of, and then there's a polished finish. There's a little bit of galling on the cam journal. Take these studs out so I can get the cylinder off. If you notice, these studs are a different color than the other side. Second moment of truth. Little touchy there. Let's see how these valves look. Little tech tip when you're draining your tank, don't dump it upside down because there's always a lip. If there's any water in there, you got to make sure you drain from the bottom. Bent the valves, and so the valves they're sticking open. See the light through it. Piston's kind of dirty, but I think we can clean that up as long as the rod's okay. So I'm going to pull this cylinder off. This tensioner is absolutely worn out. So this thing probably never had an oil change in its life. So
I'm going to link in the description the oil you should be running.
So you obviously want to take that to your engine guy, but you see there's a nice crosshatch there. And then we've got, I can feel a little bit of a ridge there. So I would measure this up and see if we need a new piston. So this bike failed because the cam chain slipped and tagged the valves. You can see on the piston there. If you change the valves and throw this thing back together, it's gonna run again. I'm gonna check the rod bearings. Feel quite a bit of play that way. I think this motor's cooked. Tire is completely flat. No leaking fork seals. Yeah, this is kind of the stuff here. So we need wheel bearings, chain and sprockets.
Unfortunately, this thing's not worth fixing, so it's off the scrapyard.